Hello friends, peace and blessings. In previous video we learned how to download Windows 10 ISO image from Microsoft official website. In this video we will learn how to make a Windows 10 bootable USB. For this purpose we need a Windows 10 ISO image and a Rufus software. Rufus is very important tool in order to create Windows bootable USB. First of all we will learn how to download Rufus. Open your browser, type rufus.ie and hit enter. Here on this page, scroll down and click on Rufus 3.11. Here you can see Rufus 3.11 is being downloaded. Download is completed. You can open Rufus directly from here. Click on this button and select open, or simply double click on this PC, click on downloads and then double click on Rufus. Rufus is ready. Here in device section you can see no USB drive is detected. Just insert your USB drive. Now you can see that Rufus has detected my USB drive. Now in this section which says boot section, disk or ISO image, please select. Here click on select button in order to upload the ISO image. Since my ISO image is on desktop, so I click on desktop. Here you can see Windows ISO image. Double click on it. Hence Windows 10 ISO file is uploaded to Rufus. Here in this section which says image option, leave it as it is. Friends, here comes an important concept: partition scheme. Friends, if your hard drive volume is GPT, then you must select GPT in this drop down menu. But if your volume partition scheme is MBR, which means master boot record, then both GPT and MBR will work for you. In order to know your partition scheme, right click on this PC, select manage. Here click on disk management. Here you can see disk 0 is written, and this is actually the drive where I want to install Windows. Right click on it and go to properties. Here click on volumes, and here you can see it says partition style is master boot record, which means MBR. It means partition scheme GPT and MBR both will work for you. So let's select MBR. Here in target system which says BIOS or UEFI CSM, leave it as it is. Now in volume label you may give it any name. For example, I will write Windows 10 bootable USB. Here in file system select NTFS, and in cluster size leave it as it is. Dear friends, do not forget to back up your important USB data before proceeding. Now if you are sure that you have backed up your USB data, just click on start. A warning windows appear which says all data on device ASKS USB 7.8 GB will be destroyed. To continue with this operation, click OK. To quit, click cancel. I have backed up my USB data. I will click on OK. And now you can see that Rufus is copying ISO file to the USB drive. Depending on your system, it may take several minutes, and then your USB will be ready. That is how you can make a Windows 10 bootable USB drive. Friends, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks.